Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification required on App Store. If you try to download free app or try to purchase app from App Store and showing an error, verification required, tap continue and sign in to view billing information. Okay guys, so how can you fix this type of error? So you have to close this page first. Just simply go to setting and then you have to tap on your Apple ID panel. Now just simply tap on payment and shipping option. And why you are facing this type of error? Because you don't have enough balance in your payment method, or you have given incorrect information. So you have to verify that you have given correct information here. So just simply update your information from here. So you have to add your new payment method if your payment method is expired. Okay guys, just simply do these steps and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if once again there guys, just simply open settings again. Just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID banner. Just simply go to media and purchases and then you have to tap on view account. Now just simply wait some second from here. Now tap on country origin. Now again wait some second from here. So as you can see guys, loading. Now tap on change country origin. Now select the country. If you're downloading free app, then you can select any country from here, and if you're purchasing app from App Store, then you have to select the same country in which you have given your payment method. Okay, just simply select the same country of your payment method, and now wait some second from here. Now tap on agree if you are agree from terms and conditions. So you can read terms and condition carefully and just simply tap on agree if you are agree. Again tap on agree. Now just simply wait some seconds. Now you can select your payment method from here. Now you can also check your number or expiry date of your debit or credit card, especially for the CVV code. And here you can put your billing address. So you can update your billing address from here and make sure that you are giving correct information. Okay guys, and here you can put your city name. And now you have to put the phone number. So you can put fake one as well. Just simply tap on next, and after that your billing address or your payment method will be updated and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.